Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to accept multiple payment methods with Jotform. This is incredibly useful if you want to give your customers flexibility in how they pay you, whether through PayPal, Square, or other payment processors. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to create this payment form, as you'll be setting up payment integrations that need to be linked to your business accounts. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on it to begin the form creation process. This is your starting point for building any new form in Jotform. A menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Form, then select Start from Scratch. This gives you complete control over your form's design and functionality. When prompted to choose a form type, select Classic Form. This is the most versatile option and works perfectly for payment collection. Now you'll be in the Form Builder interface. Look at the left panel and click on Add Element. This section contains all the building blocks you'll need for your form. In the Basic section, scroll down until you find Single Choice. You can either click on it to add it to your form or drag it to your preferred location on the canvas. This element will allow customers to select their preferred payment method. Click on the single choice section you just added. You'll want to edit the title name to something clear like payment method. Now click on type option 1 and rename it to your first payment method. For example, PayPal, then edit option 2 and rename it to something like Square. This creates a clear menu for your customers to choose how they want to pay. Next, go back to the form elements in the left panel and click on Payments. You'll see various payment integration options here. Select PayPal and drag it below the single choice section you created earlier. This positioning makes logical sense for users as they first choose their method, then complete the payment. Click on the Payments tab to customize your payment settings. In the right panel, you can edit your payment method in detail. Here you can configure the payment type, set your preferred currency, choose the checkout language, and even add an image to make your payment section more visually appealing. Take your time with these settings to ensure everything matches your business needs. Once you're satisfied with all your configurations, don't forget to click the Publish button at the top of the page. This finalizes your form and makes it live for customers to use. You now have a functional form that accepts multiple payment methods, giving your customers the flexibility they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.